Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Broad overgeneralizations, which I don't like. Well, let's just say that we go on board with the whole demo argument, because that's essentially what she's saying, right?
Go!
And we all know that, those of us who worked in TV news, there's a specific kind of lead-in you're gonna have it for, like, jokes, trying to make households, so I got the stories on, care about this, I that way, that was definitely, I couldn't figure out how to get the stories on watch, I was already starting on one point, but then you ask yourself, like, what people care about often can be shaped by what messages are given, right? So it's like, do people care about things because they just don't care, or because we already tell them that they shouldn't care, and it seemed like the boss was not necessarily asking that particular question, or at least that wasn't, it was just like, well, this is what we feel like matters to the people that we have decided we know how they think, and so we're only going to give this kind of...
Ôi cha mẹ. Ôi trời, ôi trời. Trời ơi, lái rồi. Trời ơi, hên quá. Được kìa. Không, nó không đụng ai. Tự nhiên đụng mình vô tường. Chạy vô hồi nãy mình mới qua. Qua bên kia rồi, dính đó rồi.
What's the problem, buddy? Well, you just braked right in front of us. You braked right in front of us. There's no bike lane there. No, that's a shoulder. 495 PNC. I have it on camera. Shit.
Hell, man. Fucking hell, man. Нет, не žiūri, a tu Oba. Are you stupid? What are you doing, man? Oh my God.
So you know the people that are in this line are going
Bro,
through the drive.
What the f, bro? Look at this asshole. Why is he such an asshole? Why though? Why? We've been waiting for 2 hours.
We have a baby in the back, so what's the problem?
We were already in the turning lane. Why are you cutting? They were letting us go by anyways. Look at this guy getting so angry. Stop crying. Get in your car. Just get in your car, old man. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Oh my God, this baby.
The band. I think you've said and others have said that in a way it was a use. He wanted to get his solo career going, so he joined a... In a way it was a use. He wanted to get his solo career going, so he joined a really successful unit. And, and then suddenly to bail out on Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young and go solo all of a sudden in the middle of the tour would be wrong. It's
Brantley Gilbert, bottoms up. Cable 93, number 1 for New Country. I'm Travis Moon. Tonight down to 70, chance of rain. Tomorrow cooler with a high of 77. Right now, Gabby Barrett, it's a good one's on the bull.
Oh my God, holy shit. Oh, god damn.
What an ass.
Are you serious?
You better get in front of him too, because you're not going to get me. Yeah, how'd that work for you?
Oh, I heard a horn back.
Yeah, I didn't let them over. They jumped out from behind me.
Nice mover.